You want to make a pizza?
Yep.
To make our garlic knot pizza, we have browned up some hamburger. We have a couple of rows of Wonk biscuit, canned biscuits, some cheese, some pepperoni, some marinara sauce, some garlic salt, and some melted butter. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix the marinara sauce in with our ground hamburger, and then I'll show you what we're going to do with the biscuit. Ready, William? So I've got some melted butter, just a stick of butter, melted, and we're going to pour it in a pan. Okay, and then William is going to cut the biscuits up into 4 pieces. Just let me show you, William. You're going to cut it just like that, and then you're going to cut it just like that. Okay, and then we're going to take the pieces and we're going to throw them in the butter. Okay, cut it in half.
Okay, I know how.
Cut.
Yes.
And then cut. Good job. Do the next one.
I want to try one myself.
Okay, watch your fingers. Good job.
I know. Baba.
Cut it in half. Good job. Okay. Okay, so
Shake them up.
you want to shake them up? That's a good idea. Let's shake them up. While we shake them up, let's put some garlic on them.
I want to put garlic on them.
Because it's we lost the top, so let me do it. Unless you want pinch?
Yeah.
Once you pinch, and then rub your fingers together like that. Pinch, 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 pinch. Pinch, pinch. Lots of garlic. Yay, lots of garlic. Now, let's mix them up. We get that butter and the garlic, and we spread it all out nice. That looks good, don't it?
Now, I want to put a little bit of that on there.
That's a good idea. But before we put the hamburger in there, let's mix the sauce in there.
I want to put the sauce on there.
Can you pour it? You want to pour it?
Yeah, pour it.
Whee! Good job.
Oh, wait. We don't have to mix it. We don't have
We need to. Let's mix it. Mix, mix. How do we mix? Mix, mix. Mix, mix. Are we mixing good?
Yeah. We're all done now. We're all done mixing.
Okay. Now, let's...
I want to put it on there.
No, let's not do it like that.
That's okay.
That'll make messes and Mommy will beat us up. Hold on. Not... Okay. You want to do it that way? Fine.
You can't say fine.
Why can't I say fine?
Because Grandmama didn't say to say fine.
Grandmama says fine is a bad word?
No. She told us not. She told me not to say it. So everybody else doesn't need to say it.
You can't say fine when Grandmama tells you to do something.
Why?
Because then it's a bad word. You're doing a good job.
All the sauces are away.
Can we dump the rest in right quick, or you want to keep going? Okay, now we're starting to get to where we'll make a mess. Do you like pepperonis on your pizza?
Oh yeah. And I wanna eat 4.
You want to eat 4?
Yeah.
Do you want to put the pepperonis on, or do you want to eat pepperonis?
I'll put a little bit on there and then I'll eat some.
Okay. Here.
Okay. I'll put this on there. Just hand them to me.
Here. There's 2. Here's some more. Here's some more. I got a whole bunch.
I'm gonna eat the rest.
You can't eat the rest. You can eat some. See, you're just on let's throw them in there. I like making sure we have lots of pepperonis. But you're just a throw the pepperoni kind of guy, aren't you?
I'm just an eater.
Okay, so you're going to go eat pepperonis? Okay, we're going to put the cheese. No, you still got some eating on.
But Mama ate some. That's why I need more.
Hold on.
I just got the mini more.
So we're gonna bake that in the oven for about 25 minutes. Hey, what do we got? William, is the pizza out?
Yeah.
We gonna get some for the plate? Let's get something for you to eat. Put some in. Let's go from this end. Let's go from the end.
I want to go for this.
All right, try it. Is that pizza? All right, we'll go take it over to your plate. Watch while he goes in. Leave my fork so I can get some, boo. All right, there you go. Did you get too much? Did you get too much?
Yeah, and can you get me some of the queen?
Yeah, I'll get you some drink.
No, no. I said I want some of the queen pepperoni.
Oh, that's good.